Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at comparing the screen brightness and sharpness between the iPhone 12 Pro and the iPhone 13 Pro. So this is the iPhone 12 Pro I have here on the left, and on my right hand side is the iPhone 13 Pro. Now by looking at it directly, I can see that the iPhone 13 Pro is a lot sharper and quite brighter with more details. So if I go down, open up the control center and lower down the brightness, now when they are dark, they are both pretty much the same color. You can see there are some details down here on the bar. So I'm just going to turn off the light. Okay, so even on the lowest lighting setting right here, you can see the iPhone 13 Pro is a bit lighter, brighter than the 12. So if I bring up the brightness control all the way up, now I don't know if you can tell the difference, but I'm recording at the moment in 4K, and you can see on my iPhone 13 it appears to be sharper and brighter with more details. And if I open up the app right here, Apple TV, and even in here I can feel the details is sharper. So if I zoom in on the pictures right here, the two photos, now I don't know if you can tell the difference when looking through the cameras, but from my point of view right here, it looks very nice and vivid and more sharper when looking directly into the display. So yeah, if you are thinking of getting the new iPhone 13 Pro, definitely it's worth it, because the screen is brighter, it is sharper and nicer to look at, and on top of that you got more battery life on the iPhone 13 Pro, as well as an improved camera system. So you have 3 camera lens. It is larger than the iPhone 12. So the screen brightness is definitely brighter and sharper on the iPhone 13 Pro. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.